Fleet connectivity shouldn't require multiple boxes, tangled cables, or hours in the garage. With AC Fleet, one device replaces your router, modem, GPS, and antennas, cutting clutter, install time, and failure points. Introducing AirgainConnect Fleet, the all-in-one 5G vehicle gateway, purpose-built for public safety, ready for any mission. AC Fleet replaces your router, antenna, modem, and GPS with one powerful, compact rooftop device purpose-built for public safety operations. Fewer parts, less clutter, easier installs, and most importantly, more peace of mind. AC Fleet is 5G ready and built for public safety, certified on AT&T, FirstNet, Verizon, and T-Mobile. And with built-in eSIM flexibility, you never have to touch a vehicle to change a SIM card. And you can automatically switch carriers to stay connected. Plus, real-time remote management helps you stay in control of every vehicle from anywhere. Streamline your tech stack, simplify your operations, modernize for any mission. See for yourself what AC Fleet can do.